In Washington state, Mount St. Helens rises quietly, its beauty masking a violent past. On May 18, 1980, the mountain erupted, forever changing the landscape and claiming 57 lives. Ash blanketed cities far away, and the northern face collapsed in the largest landslide ever recorded. The eruption left a massive crater, a scar, and a warning. For decades, the mountain has been mostly silent, drawing scientists and tourists alike. But today, August 1, 2025, that silence is broken. Deep rumbles shake the earth, and scientists are alarmed by the mountain's renewed activity. Monitoring instruments now tell a story of mounting unrest. The sleeping giant is waking. The question is no longer if, but when Mount St. Helens will erupt again. Its legacy is one of both destruction and rebirth. Lush forests thrive in volcanic soil, but the memory of devastation lingers. The balance between people and nature feels more fragile than ever. The mountain is sending signals, and we must listen and prepare. Mount St. Helens' story isn't over. A new chapter is about to begin. The world is watching, waiting for what comes next. Today, the USGS has issued its highest alert for Mount St. Helens, an emergency warning. This is not a drill. Scientific data shows a major eruption is imminent or already underway. The warning has sent shockwaves through communities far beyond the mountain. It's a call to action. Evacuation plans are activated, roads are closed, and first responders mobilize. The USGS bases this decision on a constant stream of data from sensors on and around the volcano. Volcanologists and geophysicists have analyzed every tremor and gas emission. Their message is clear. Conditions are escalating rapidly, and a powerful eruption could happen with little warning. For residents, the mountain is no longer a distant neighbor, it's a present threat. The USGS warning confirms their fears and forces them to act. Emergency protocols are underway, and the region braces for impact. The time for waiting is over. Decisive action is needed now. The threat is real and lives are at stake. The countdown has begun. The USGS warning follows a surge in alarming volcanic activity. Seismic tremors have escalated. Magma is forcing its way upward, fracturing rock. Gas emissions, especially sulfur dioxide, have spiked, signaling fresh magma near the surface. The ground itself is swelling, measured by GPS and satellites, a clear sign of pressure building below. The mountain is literally stretching, struggling to contain the force within. New steam vents or fumaroles have opened, releasing hot gas and sometimes ash. These small explosions are warning shots, evidence of instability. Each symptom, quakes, gas, swelling, steam, confirms the volcano is primed for eruption. The system is nearing its breaking point. The signs are unmistakable. Mount St. Helens is ready to erupt. What do these symptoms mean? For scientists, they're classic signs of an impending eruption. Earthquakes show magma is moving, breaking new paths to the surface. Rising sulfur dioxide means fresh gas-rich magma is fueling the system, often a recipe for explosive eruptions. The swelling ground is like a balloon about to burst. Pressure is building fast. Each signal, quakes, gas, deformation, confirms the others. The evidence points to a major explosive eruption, not a minor event. The chain reaction is underway. Magma rises, gases escape, the ground inflates. Scientists see a coherent, urgent narrative of crisis. The mountain's behavior mirrors the lead-up to the 1980 disaster. The threat is imminent and severe. Monitoring Mount St. Helens is a high-tech, round-the-clock operation. The USGS Cascades Volcano Observatory runs a network of seismometers, GPS stations, and gas sensors. Seismometers detect tiny quakes, mapping magma's movement deep below. GPS and tilt meters measure ground swelling in real time, revealing pressure changes. Gas sensors track volcanic emissions, signaling fresh magma. Drones and satellites provide thermal images and detailed maps, keeping scientists out of harm's way. This integrated system allows for early warnings and rapid response. Decades of vigilance have built a world-class monitoring network. Technology and expertise work together to protect lives. The USGS is watching every move the mountain makes. The emergency warning has transformed nearby communities into zones of urgent action. Local authorities activate emergency centers and issue mandatory evacuations for high-risk areas. Roadblocks go up, and law enforcement helps residents evacuate quickly and safely. Alerts flood TV, radio, social media, and mobile phones. Evacuate now. Shelters open in safer towns, ready to house evacuees. Families pack essentials and leave, uncertain if they'll return to their homes. Farmers rush to move livestock. The mood is tense and somber. Older residents recall 1980, urging others to take the warning seriously. The response is coordinated. Local, state, and federal agencies work together. The National Guard and FEMA mobilized to support the evacuation, It's a race against time to get everyone out of harm's way. The community's memory of past disaster drives swift action. The region braces for the mountain's next move. As the world watches, the future remains uncertain. Scientists can't predict the exact moment or scale of the eruption, but several scenarios loom. A powerful explosive eruption could send ash across the continent and unleash deadly pyroclastic flows. A less explosive event might build a new lava dome, but still threaten with ash and dangerous mud flows. Lahars. There's a slim chance the activity could subside, but current data makes that unlikely. The risk is too high to be complacent. Preparation is essential. This crisis is a lesson in humility and respect for nature's power. We can't control the Earth, but we can listen to science and prepare. The people of the Pacific Northwest show resilience, heeding warnings and coming together. Their preparedness is their best defense. Whatever happens, the region's response will shape the outcome. Mount St. Helens reminds us, we live on a restless planet. The next chapter is about to unfold.